Hi folks, today I am preparing roasted mashed ladyfinger. This is wonderful recipe and loaded with health benefits. So without any delay, let's start. First let me tell you, this is the way to cut the ladyfinger. First you have to remove the tip and tail of the ladyfinger and cut like this to make vegetable or to make recipe. And how to know this is the fresh? Take one lady finger and very light handedly break it. If it breaks easily, it is fresh and raw. Now this is perfect vegetable to make the recipes. So I will cut all the lady finger like this and I will make a recipe. But this recipe I will show you in my next video. Today I am preparing the mashed lady fingers. So I am taking 7 to 9 approximately this much lady finger, and take the iron tawa or iron pan. Iron is very important for our blood, so try to use iron utensils. Here I am keeping all these lady finger in the tawa, and now I will cook it. Switch on the flame and keep it very low. See, I am keeping with a very low flame. So keep it on low flame and put it here and cover with a big bowl. I think in every kitchen you will get it like this, a big bowl. Cover with this and steam will form and it will cook inside also. So it will cook properly. After 5 minutes I will open it and stir like this. I will flip. So in every side the vegetable will cook perfectly. See, I am flipping every vegetable and again I am covering it and let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes. And see, very carefully do it. See, all the vegetable cooked perfectly. It cooks inside also. So at this stage I will take out in the bowl. So very carefully take it out because it's very hot. Now I am taking it out and keep in bowl. See, now I will roast the garlic. See, 10 to 12 jawe of garlic I have taken and I will roast it. If you have green chili, use it, or you can use red chili also. See, I will remove the head part and the tail part of the roasted ladyfinger, and all the lady fingers I am doing, and see the spots. So it completely roasted and I will mix it. Now according to your taste, add salt. Half spoon of mustard oil I will add, and with the help of fork or help of hand mash it properly. See, so all the aroma of the garlic and salt and mustard oil will be mixed with the lady finger and a wonderful recipe will come out. A spoonful of lemon juice I am adding it and mix it. See, it's ready to serve. You can take it with chapati or roti. It's full of aroma. It's very delicious. So you like my recipes, please like and share. Thanks for watching.